myself, I am Dr. Nitin Kochar, practicing consultant cardiothoracic surgeon at Nasik, Maharashtra. Well, heart failure is nothing but inability of our heart to pump blood into the periphery or into our body to meet the metabolic needs of our body. In easy language, what we can say is our heart is like a pump. So our heart pump, it becomes inefficient to pump blood in whole of our body.
Who is at the risk of developing heart failure?
All the patients who are known cases of ischemic heart disease, all the patients who are known case of hypertension, diabetes, patients who are having congenital heart disorders, or patients who have undergone some cardiac surgery procedures, all these patients are at risk of developing heart failure. In common population, the patients who are having very low HBs like severe anemia patients, they might also develop heart failure. Heart failure is something very serious thing, but of course it can be very well managed by optimal medical management. Now, what is optimal medical management? There are few drugs which definitely decrease fluid overload in our body. There are few drugs which decreases peripheral vascular resistance of our body and help that poorly or inefficient heart to pump blood into the circulation. Now, modification of lifestyle, when we say modification of lifestyle, that means patient need to control his diabetes, patient need to control his hypertension, patient need to do salt restricted diets, follow the exercise therapy. If patient do all those things altogether, definitely we get very good results of heart failure. Now, what are the new modalities in the treatment of heart failure? We cardiac surgeons play a very important role in heart failure. Now, most of the countries heart surgeons are conducting heart failure clinics. It's of course a joint team approach where cardiologist, heart surgeon and many other people are part of that heart team. So what do? They analyze the patient, whether that patient really needs something more than medical management. Now, what is something more than medical management? It's like heart transplant, ventricular assist devices, LVAD, RVAD, or we can say artificial heart. What I would like to tell them is heart failure is nothing that you cannot fight on. It's a modality, or you can say a sequelae of some cardiovascular disease which can be very well managed by some modification of lifestyle, by taking optimal medical management. Few drugs like sacubitril valsartan combinations have come into market and they're really wonder drug in heart failure therapy. Of course, some surgical backup like what I initially mentioned as heart transplant or ventricular assist devices or artificial heart, they are major breakthrough in management of heart failure. I will advise all the patients who are right now under medical treatment of heart failure to go and attend heart failure clinics which are going on in most of the corporate hospitals. Yeah, again the same thing, it's very easy. What we need is we have to follow a strict protocol like diet, exercise and medical management. Now, diet is something like salt restricted diets, to avoid fluid intake more than 1.5 to 2 liters, to take medicines optimally as prescribed by your physician, have a regular follow-up with the physician, and of course then it comes to your exercise, where you have to do brisk exercises, but that too under controlled supervision.